Okay, this video is to show you how to install the Moen Roman tub handle adapter kit, part number 106378. I decided to do this video because there's a lot of questions on how this goes together, and it's really not that complicated. So anyway, these are the parts that come with the kit. You'll see you have a couple of threaded adapters, and then the valve stem and a screw to hold the valve stem on. This is the Roman kit that I bought. The tub spout was easy to replace. This was an old gold 1980s style Roman tub spout. There's a set screw behind this little plug, this cap here, and you just take that old one out, undo the set screw, pull the spout off, clean up the copper stub a little bit, lubricate, and put the new spout on. The handle, however, comes with a serrated inner diameter plastic piece here that clearly is not going to fit onto the square valve stem where the old plastic handle was. So that's where this adapter kit comes in. These are the parts that came with the handle. You'll notice that this white piece here is identical to the white piece in the adapter kit. However, this piece here is the part that is not going to work for us. In its place, we're going to have to use this white piece here. And I'll show you how to do that. So I'm going to jump over here. The tub spout is real easy. I turned the water off, but then discovered you don't need to turn the water off to do this replacement. Simply unscrew this. I've already loosened it. You probably need to use a adjustable wrench. Unscrew that. Once you get that off, this piece will pull right out. Set that aside, you won't need that anymore. Now you're going to have this inner serrated piece. And if you look down inside, my tub hasn't really been used much, so you can see pretty clearly down inside there's a Phillips head screw in there. I went ahead and undid the Phillips screw before the video, but you'll undo the screw, this thing will pull right out. That's the old handle piece. Just set that there for now. And I'll grab the new handle piece, and you'll notice that the end is basically the same. However, I do want to point out that the old screw and the new screw are slightly different. The old screw has a larger head, the new screw is a little bit smaller head, and the taper on the back is much different. It's tapered versus flat. So do not use the old screw, discard the old screw, use the new screw with the new adapter. Okay, now the other thing you're going to do, when you insert this new handle adapter in there, you're going to have to twist it around until it finally seats down into there. The adapter is meant to be cut to length depending on the thickness of your tub. So different tubs, this will stick out different amounts. I've actually already cut one section off of here with a hacksaw. Simple hacksaw goes through this thing very quickly and easily. The reason for that is this handle will need to sit down on top of the new adapter, and then the base will start to thread onto the large white plastic piece. Without cutting off one section, the handle was sitting so high that this piece here, this outer trim ring, would not even touch the large threaded part down there. So I cut a piece off. I started to seat it, and as I started screwing it down, it came to a point where it stopped, and it's still clearly above the tub deck. So I'm going to go ahead and take this back out, and I'm going to cut one more section off of this adapter so that the trim ring, when it screws on, will sit flush with the tub deck. Okay, so I've gone ahead and cut another section off. So now I've taken two pieces of this off. I'm going to go ahead and set this down inside there. Put my handle on. Just dry fit this thing, make sure everything's good. Screw this down. Okay, now it makes a nice tight fit, tight enough, around the tub deck. So with that, I should be ready to go. So I'm going to take this off and then simply drop the screw, the new screw, drop that down inside there and screw it in. Okay, so I've screwed it in. I don't know if you can see deep down inside there, there's the new screw. Again, Phillips head style, so you need a Phillips screwdriver. Now you just want to kind of eyeball this, line it up so that it's fairly square to the tub, the handle. It's not infinitely adjustable, but you can get it pretty close. And then just screw the bottom trim ring on until it's tight. And that's it. That's all there is to it. Pretty simple. Good luck.